Hey everyone, welcome to Berlin Builds. Today, I'm gonna pull back the curtain on my analytics and let you know what I made on my first month of being monetized on YouTube. Just a disclaimer about this video, I'm not making this video to brag or show that I'm really cool because I don't think I'm really that cool. I'm like moderately cool, not super cool, not like not cool. I'm like right in the middle, like kind of cool is probably where I'd classify myself. Just some quick information about my channel. I started in February of 2020. Today, the date is in December of 2021, so a little over a year and a half. And in that time, I've received 275,000-ish views, and I have currently 1,191 subscribers. I wanted to make this video for anyone that's aspiring to be a YouTuber and is just curious how much money you might make. So if you're into like the woodworking, finished carpentry, do-it-yourself niche, which I fall into, I can give you a little bit more information about that. As I'm talking to people and they find out that I have a YouTube channel, a lot of people have asked me, does it make you any money? And the answer is yes. I feel like there's not a lot of information out there on how much woodworking, DIY, and finished carpentry YouTube channels make. It's not that easy to get monetized on YouTube, but it's not that hard all at the same time. Some people think that you have to have a gazillion billion subscribers and a gazillion billion views for YouTube to actually start paying you money, and that's not the case. You've probably noticed all those little ads that run at the beginning of videos, sometimes in the middle of videos, and at the end of videos. People pay YouTube to put those ads on there, and YouTube will pay content creators to let those ads be on their videos as well. In order to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you have to have 4,000 watch hours of people watching your videos in the past 12 months. And then you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. My channel hit 1,000 subscribers late October of 2021. That was a really exciting day for me. I was so stoked when I was working on making, oh boy, I think it was an accent wall that day, and I was so distracted. It was an accent wall in Arizona for some family, and I was in my truck going, I'm at 995, 996, I'd check it again, 997, 998, 999, and I remember hitting refresh and watching it hit 1,000 and knew that I was now eligible to be, you know, in the YouTube Partner Program. I was so stoked. I ran inside and I found my wife and I said, look, this is awesome. I'm just stammering. Anyways, I was super excited. Now, once you hit that milestone, it doesn't automatically make you get into the YouTube Partner Program. You have to be nice. You have to play nice. You can't do crazy, ridiculous content that is super offensive. You also can't steal other people's content. So you have to be really careful to not reuse other people's videos, which doesn't seem that hard, but a lot of people apparently reuse videos. So if you're one of those people, don't do that. Once I hit my 1,000 subscriber benchmark and I already had the 4,000 hours of watch time, what I did is I applied to be in the YouTube Partner Program. So you have to create a Google AdSense account and they have to review your channel. And it only took them a couple days to review my channel and say that I was now monetized. My first day of monetization was October 29th. And on that day, I earned a whopping 34 cents. I was so bummed. I was just, oh boy. I was very downtrodden at earning 34 cents because all the research I had shown, I thought I should be making maybe $2 or maybe $6 on that day. And when I saw that 34 cents, I was pretty deflated. I told my wife, this is pretty dumb. And she said, it's okay, Nick, just keep going. Well, the next day was significantly better. I made $9.53 on my second day. I think the first day it wasn't fully up and running. Maybe I got monetized officially later on in the day when a lot of views had already happened. So anyways, the second day was $9.53. There's not a lot of information about what the average YouTuber makes per 1,000 views. What I could find said probably $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. And at that time I was getting about 20,000 views a month. So I was going, okay, so that's like maybe $60 or $90 a month. So here I'm showing you my analytics from October 29th through November 29th of 2021. During that time, I had 172,000 impressions. That's how many times my video showed up in different searches. Then right here, I had an impression click-through rate, or people clicked on my little thumbnail video clip about 8% of the time when they saw it. So I walked away with about 27,000 views, and I had about 22,000 unique viewers. Now getting to what I actually made. You can see if I come over here to the revenue tab, my first month of being on YouTube, I made $290.91. Now, one thing to consider is my first day, I made a whopping 34 cents. So really, when I'm making about $9, $6, $7, $6, $8, you know, I think it's more accurate to say, you know, if this is kind of like a throwaway day, I probably made just shy of $300 would be the best estimate of my first month being on YouTube, and that's with 27,000 views. Knowing that it's 27,000 views, what that means is for my channel, what I've been rated and ranked on YouTube, I make about $11.17 per 1,000 views that I receive on my channel, which is amazing. I'm super stoked about this. It's really cool to know making about $11 per 1,000 views, because if you look, this is the very beginning of my channel, February of 2020, and these are the one view that day. Oh, so sad. Anyways, you can see where my channel has started and how it's grown, and it's kind of a linear growth, but I'm hoping, kind of exponential. And you can see, November, December timeframe, you get a little bit more views than you normally do. Or at least my channel does. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm in December. So I'm hoping that this will continue to grow as I post more videos. Right now, I'm shy of 275,000 views. And it's just cool to see that this will keep growing, and this is a passive income source that just kind of works quietly in the background that lets me make money for doing something that I already enjoy doing. Right now it's December 14th, and YouTube has said that I made about $426.59. And that's in about a month and a half, just shy of a month and a half-ish of the time frame of how long I've been monetized. Now in this video, I'm only showing you the YouTube ad revenue that YouTube itself is paying me for the ads that they play on my videos. As a YouTuber though, you can make money through, obviously, AdSense, getting paid for the ads that are ran on your videos. You can get paid from, promotional sponsorships from different companies, which I haven't done any yet. No one's offered me any. Guess I'm just not that cool. You can do those. You can also make money through affiliate marketing links, such as the Amazon Associates program, which I'm a member of. I've made some money there, not like a ton. That's maybe another video, another time I'll show you what I've made there. It's nothing for me to really write home about at this stage. Another way that people make money on YouTube is through merchandise sales. I actually have a website, I'll link it down below, if you want to buy t-shirts that say Berlin Builds, and I have some other funny sayings out there. So you can make money that way too. I hope this was helpful and maybe even inspirational for someone who's been thinking of creating a YouTube channel. My best encouragement to you is just to start filming. Once you start filming and you start getting content out there, it's just gonna snowball. And if you're making good content that has good information, people will watch it. It can be kind of hard as you're breaking out. You saw I had 1 view per day early on in my YouTube journey. Now I get, it's about 600 to like 800, sometimes almost, I've broken 1,000 views in a day. I was actually looking at it, a lot of times I have about 30 hours of watch time in a day. So people are watching my videos longer than the day is within the day that they're watching videos, which is just insane to me to think about, but really cool at the same time. So if you've been thinking about starting a woodworking channel, I would really encourage you to do so. It's a lot of fun. It's really fun figuring out all the different camera angles, and it's also something that can pay you. It's something that can make it so that you can do more projects with your YouTube money. For me, starting this channel, I was already doing these projects for the most part. I might have done a couple projects for YouTube, but really most of the projects that I'm doing are ones that I was already doing anyways. So my thought process was, why not film it and make a video of it? So if this is something that you've been considering, I would really encourage you to get out there and try. The more the merrier on YouTube is my opinion, because everyone's got their own perspective and their own things that they've learned. And I personally learned so much from other YouTubers. Insider Carpentry, Spencer Lewis, that guy is phenomenal. That guy is phenomenal, and I love watching his content. There's also Finnish Carpentry TV. I forgot his name. That guy is amazing. I love watching those guys. I learned so much from him. The Homestead Craftsman, I don't know if he's still really posting a lot of videos, but he was one of my early YouTube inspirations. So if he could come out here and post some more YouTube videos, I would love that. Some people might think that YouTube is a waste of time, and maybe it is if you don't stick with it. Yeah, it's gonna be a waste of time. Just kind of like starting law school and quitting after a month. That's probably kind of a waste of time. But that's how pretty much everything is in life. If you start something and don't follow through, then yeah, kind of a waste of time. So if you want to get into YouTube, I would just encourage you to keep going and keep pushing through. You're gonna have some people that are probably gonna think that's really dumb that you do YouTube and that you'll never make money. Well, I'm here to show you that with just over 1,000 subscribers, you can be making pretty decent money for a little side hustle. Thanks so much everybody for watching this video. I hope that this was helpful to you and maybe inspired you to go out and start your own YouTube journey, or maybe you're just nosy and you just wanted to know. And if that's the case, awesome, glad you're here. Make sure you hit that like button and then subscribe for more actual woodworking and Finnish carpentry do-it-yourself videos. I don't know if I'm gonna do a bunch of these videos, but if there's any interest, maybe I will down the road. But anyways, subscribe for more content, not like this, but content about woodworking and finished carpentry and do-it-yourself stuff. Thanks again, everyone. I hope you have a good rest of your day.